Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to do a whole house clean. I'm going to try and get it done within a couple hours, and I figured I would take you guys along with me. So without further ado, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and come along with me. In my process of whole house cleaning, I have found it easier to start in my bedroom and the whole upstairs than work my way down. My downstairs is typically dirtier than my upstairs, so it just tends to go faster if I do it this way. I wanted to go ahead and apologize if I sound a little nasally. I got my wisdom teeth taken out about 4 days before this, and I had caught a cold in the process, so I'm been a little under the weather. My house has gotten extremely dirty, and today was the first day I felt good to get up and clean my house. And then by the end of the day, I didn't even get to do my living room because I was just overly exhausted and my mouth started to hurt and I just didn't feel good. So I got as much done as I could.
Wanna feel something deep. Do I really need your saving? You're the one on time I've wasted. Now the story is new, just a chapter or two. Will it be the same at the end? Don't want it to finish for you. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy? Are we for now or is it really meant to be? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? You are a pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memory. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
while I've been healing from my wisdom teeth and trying to get over this cold, my husband was keeping up with dishes and laundry and trying to keep the house afloat. So now I have a bunch of laundry to put away and just some typical cleaning. Things haven't been wiped down or vacuumed, so just trying to get everything back to normal and try to get rid of some of the germs so that my cold can go away a little faster.
We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile, every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know, what if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you. So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away.
To the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, hi.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard.
By the time I hit my kitchen, I was just like instantly annoyed. I was like, I hope that I never have to be down for a long extended period of time again, because my house was so dirty. Like, it just had so much that needed to be done, and I feel like I just didn't have enough energy to really tackle it and give it the attention it needed. But I feel pretty proud of what I accomplished.
Only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away.
So no joke, I already started Christmas shopping for next year, so while I've been down, I've been receiving a bunch of boxes of the gifts that I've been buying off of clearance for next year. It's my little secret, I buy ahead of time so that I don't have to pay full price for products.
Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil, but I'm standing.
Okay, no judgment here, my Christmas stuff is still up. I wanted to take it down before I went in for surgery, but then I just didn't, and I don't have any other decor to put up, so I kept it there. But as I'm doing this voiceover, I'm actually headed to Target, and I'm picking up some more Valentine's decor so I can finish actually doing my decor. So the next time you guys see my house, it will have Valentine's decor around.
Are only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Thank you guys for sticking around and watching my whole video. I hope it gave you some motivation to get your job done today. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and coming along for some more videos.